Hello, everyone. I'm your teacher from DET Practice. Today, we're tackling a writing sample question. These questions test your ability to develop a clear and well-reasoned argument in just 5 minutes. The prompt we're looking at is, some people believe that companies should allow employees to choose their working hours, while others believe that companies should set their employees' schedules. Which viewpoint do you agree with, and why? Include specific reasons in your answer. Our focus point for this question is using response templates for career and work topics. When you only have 5 minutes, having a pre-planned structure is a lifesaver. For a "which viewpoint do you agree with" question, a simple and effective template is to state your opinion, provide 2 supporting reasons with examples, and then conclude. Let's apply this method. First, you need to quickly choose a side. Let's say we agree with flexible working hours. Your structure would look like this. Introduction. State your agreement with flexible schedules. First reason. Argue that it improves employee morale and work-life balance. For example, parents can manage school runs without stress. Second reason. Argue that it can increase productivity. For instance, employees can work during their most focused hours, whether early morning or late at night. In conclusion, briefly summarize your points and restate your position. Using transition words like firstly, moreover, and in conclusion will make your writing flow logically and appear more organized. Before we reveal a model answer, pause this video and try writing your own response. Remember to state your opinion clearly and support it with at least 2 distinct reasons. You have 5 minutes. Welcome back. Here is a strong sample answer. In the modern professional landscape, the discussion around scheduling is crucial. I firmly believe that companies should allow employees to choose their own working hours. Firstly, granting this flexibility significantly boosts employee morale and promotes a healthier work-life balance. For example, an employee can attend a personal appointment in the afternoon and complete their work in the evening, reducing stress and increasing job satisfaction. Moreover, flexible schedules can lead to higher productivity. People have different peak performance times. Allowing them to work when they are most alert ensures higher quality output. In conclusion, while fixed schedules offer predictability, the advantages of flexible hours, including improved employee well-being and enhanced productivity, make it a more effective strategy for today's companies. That's all for today's practice. If you'd like more writing exercises, log in to detpractice.com and claim your 3-day free VIP trial.